Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0420 indicates an issue with the catalytic converter's efficiency. The catalytic converter is a component of the vehicle's exhaust system responsible for reducing harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. In the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the second oxygen sensor, or HO2S, sensor 2, to assess the catalytic converter's performance. This DTC is set when the PCM detects that the fluctuation integration value from the second HO2S exceeds a predefined threshold, indicating possible inefficiency. Poor fuel quality can also contribute to this code, affecting combustion and consequently emissions. It is essential to address this code promptly to maintain performance and comply with emission regulations. The error code P0420 refers to the catalytic converter's efficiency being below the expected threshold. This inefficiency is primarily monitored by the secondary heated oxygen sensor, HO2S, specifically sensor 2, which is located downstream of the catalytic converter in the exhaust system. The HO2S sensor's purpose is to measure the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, exiting the catalytic converter. When these levels fluctuate outside of the defined operational range, it indicates that the catalytic converter is not processing exhaust gases effectively. The PCM continuously analyzes data from the HO2S sensor. When irregularities are detected, specifically when the integration value surpasses a certain level, the PCM records DTC P0420. Consequently, further investigation and repair of the catalytic converter and associated components are crucial to restore optimal vehicle function. Several potential causes can lead to the setting of DTC P0420. Firstly, the most direct cause is a faulty catalytic converter itself, which may fail due to age, contamination, or physical damage, leading to inadequate conversion of harmful gases. Secondly, the secondary HO2S can be malfunctioning or damaged, affecting its ability to accurately report exhaust gas composition to the PCM. Issues with wiring or connectors associated with the HO2S may also lead to incorrect readings and falsely trigger this DTC. Additionally, poor quality fuel is a critical factor. Using fuel with high sulfur content or other contaminants can impact combustion and lead to the production of excess unburned fuel and particulates, which can overwhelm and damage the catalytic converter. Each of these causes must be evaluated in the troubleshooting process to accurately address the DTC P0420. The presence of DTC P0420 can manifest through various symptoms, with the most notable being the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard. This light serves as an alert for the driver that the vehicle has detected a malfunction within the emission system. Another common symptom associated with this DTC is a noticeable decrease in fuel efficiency. As the catalytic converter's effectiveness declines, the engine may require more fuel to perform tasks, leading to lower MPG, miles per gallon. Additionally, drivers may experience rough engine performance, including stalling or hesitation during acceleration, due to improper exhaust processing affecting engine operation. Observing these symptoms may warrant a comprehensive diagnostic check to pinpoint the exact issue and initiate necessary repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0420 involves starting the engine and maintaining an engine speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute (RPM) without any load. This means placing the vehicle in either park, P, or neutral, N, to ensure it is not under stress from driving. Holding the RPM at this level simulates a controlled operating environment where the engine and emission system can be evaluated without hindrance. During this process, it is essential to monitor the temperature of the engine and observe if the radiator fan activates. This step sets the stage for further diagnostics and helps ensure that the vehicle's systems are running effectively before moving on to more detailed testing. After maintaining the engine at 3,000 RPM, the next step is to let the engine idle. Idling allows the systems to stabilize and lets the engine reach optimal operating temperatures, crucial for accurately diagnosing DTC P0420. Once idling is complete, a test drive is necessary. This should be conducted under specific conditions to fully evaluate the vehicle's performance and emissions control systems. The recommended parameters include driving with the engine coolant temperature above 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius, and the transmission in drive, D mode. It's essential to hold a vehicle speed between 45 to 75 miles per hour, mph, for 5 minutes with the cruise control set, and then maintain the speed at 55 miles per hour for about 4 minutes or more. Following these criteria allows the PCM to gather comprehensive data under regular operating conditions, which is critical for identifying any issues. The third step in the troubleshooting process involves monitoring the onboard diagnostics, OBD, status to check for DTC P0420. Using a diagnostic scanner, technicians can access the PCM to retrieve current fault codes and data related to the vehicle's emission system. Evaluating the OBD status enables the technician to confirm if the DTC P0420 reoccurs after completing the initiated tests and procedures. It's important to pay attention to the triggers that led to the DTC's setting initially. If the code persists, further analysis might be necessary to determine if the catalytic converter, the secondary HO2S, or the related wiring has a fault. This final check is crucial as it directs the technician to whether repairs or component replacements are required to ensure compliance and vehicle functionality. After addressing the issues related to DTC P0420, it is essential to perform a final repair verification step. This includes clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the powertrain control module, PCM. Resetting the codes ensures that new data can be gathered during subsequent driving conditions without historical codes impacting the analysis. Following this, the vehicle should be test-driven under similar conditions to those used in the initial troubleshooting. During this drive, it is vital to monitor the OBD status and confirm that the DTC P0420 does not reappear. This verification process helps to guarantee that the repairs made have resolved the issue effectively and ensures that the vehicle's emission system is functioning as intended, allowing it to comply with environmental regulations. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0420 and ensuring the long-term health of a Honda CR-V. The use of high-quality fuel is essential. Inferior fuels can lead to increased carbon buildup and contaminants that affect the performance of the engine and the catalytic converter. When possible, it is recommended to use fuel that meets manufacturer specifications, as it can help optimize performance and efficiency. Furthermore, conducting regular inspections of the vehicle's emission system, including checking the catalytic converter and oxygen sensors, helps in identifying potential issues before they escalate into more serious problems. Keeping up with routine maintenance not only extends the life of these components, but also ensures better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. In summary, DTC P0420 highlights a significant indicator of inefficiency within the catalytic converter system of the Honda CR-V. The persistence of this DTC requires a thorough diagnostic approach focused on the catalytic converter itself and the secondary HO2S. Quick actions are warranted to avoid further vehicle damage and to maintain compliance with environmental regulations. Regular maintenance, including fuel quality checks and emission inspections, plays an essential role in preventing the conditions that lead to DTC P0420. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and testing procedures associated with this code, owners can take informed action to protect their vehicle's performance and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.